Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So besties, today is the 1 month. Okay, today is 1 month. I said the 1 month. Today is 1 month of me carrying my braids on my hair. And this is 1 month today. Today is 27. I made this braid June 27 and today is July 27. So it's 1 full month. Okay, I've been carrying this braid on my hair. I have done 2 teas carrying this braid. I have done, I think, 4. Today will make it 4 deep conditions I have done on this hair. So this is what the hair looks like. So I want to be trying out this mega growth deep condition, anti-breakage, strengthening, restoring and repair. I'm going to be trying this today. Okay, I just washed my hair and I'll be doing this jogging workout, everyday workout for 30 days. Okay, so each time I sweat a lot, I wash my hair in between wash days. Okay, I do like cold wash is that I pour water on my hair and maybe use like a condition to just rinse out the sweat and condition my hair, and I leave it. That's what I mean by in between wash day. So we're going to be doing this today and I'm going to be using my heat cap for the first time. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. I literally appreciate you all. So let's get to the video started. This is it. First of all, I am going to be using water to spray my hair because I washed my hair not quite long and it has dried. So I want to use water to spray on the hair before I apply this on my hair. My hair is a bit damp now, so I am going to what it looks like inside, and I'm going to just apply it on my hair from the root to the mount. Guys, I am done putting the deep condition on my hair. The next thing is to put this on my hair. How do they open this thing, sir? Today I don't feel like doing anything. Ow. So I'm going to be using this heat cap for my oil treatment. Anytime I'm using this deep condition and any other deep condition I know that I don't have egg inside, I'll use this cap for it. Yeah. So let me get this thing sorted out. I've sorted it out. I think try this. This is my first time doing this, guys. Where is that? Okay. It's kind of sliding down. I don't know why. Touching my ear. Try to secure it on it. So it's on. It is off like this button. So it should be on to off. It will be medium. So it should be high. I don't know. Let's put it in medium and wait and see if it's working or not. I'm not feeling anything. I just have to wait for if there's any hotness. I'll definitely come back and let you guys know. Okay, guys, I am feeling the hotness, so I am going to let this to sit for, I don't know, 10 minutes thereabout. Now is 1:09, so around 1:19 should be okay for this. Right. What are you doing? What's the name? Okay, you got a case to my heart. Guys, we are past it was more than 10 minutes. Now it's like 11 minutes. So I think I'm gonna remove this from my head. Yeah. I just want to do 10 minutes and see, then we'll extend it later in another deep condition treatment. Okay, so I'm gonna off it. It's not that so hot. It's lukewarm, but you can feel the hotness inside. Okay, I am literally loving this. Okay, like this is gonna be awesome from all my whole deep condition treatment that I don't have egg inside. Okay, so it's gonna off it and try to pull. Try to pull this out. Oh, that was awesome. Seriously, guys. Please remove it from your socket. Oh, I love this. So this is my hair. I am going to take everything out. I love the feeling of this hot treatment, or hot, well, I call it hot deep condition. I'm going to rinse my hair and I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. Love the feeling. So for this stuff, for this thing, it says it's infused with ultra protection blend of natural oils and conditioning protein that helps strengthen your hair inner from strength, longer, healthier looking hair. Whatever the texture of your hairstyle depends on It defends your hair against breakage, split ends, and dryness by helping rebuilding hair strength, deepen in size, protects against styling stress, and restores softness and natural shine. Okay, for usage, exactly for deep repairing damage caused by styling and heat styling over process and dryness. Okay, that is why it says what is good for. I don't know. Then best results: apply generously amount on a damp hair after shampooing, which I did. Spray a lot, like you spray from your roots to the end, which I did. Coat hair very well, leave for 10 minutes, which I did. Rinse thoroughly and style as desired. For more strengthening, leave in a tight amount of rinse out, whatever. Tips of mega strengthening. Okay, use plastic cap and sit under a dryer for 10 minutes, which I did. For deeper penetration, heat activation, rinse and style as desired. So this is it. I love it. I will be doing this. I'll be incorporating this particular product with my other DIYs. Okay, so I'm going to condition my hair as well. Even if I deep condition, I'll still have to condition my hair. So after I condition my hair, I will do my normal styling, like my oils, my teas, and everything. It's already in the channel. Do want to check that out. And that comes to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this. Have you used this Mega Growth deep condition? This is my first time and I love it. So, and this is my first time using this and I love it. So this is it's good. This is good. Alright, besties, I'll see you on my besties in my next one. Okay, stay subscribed for more reviews and DIY videos. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.